In this video, I'm going to show you a free strategy of how you can actually earn money online. If you want to earn $20 per day, even $100 per day, definitely this video is for you. This is going to be a complete free strategy. We're going to be using free tools, but I have to be honest with you guys. This is not something magical. You need to watch the entire video. And most importantly, you need to take action. You need to be consistent with the strategy if you really want to get the great results. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a quick step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money online. And actually, we're going to be using ChatGPT and we're going to be using a Twitter account and other sites that I'm going to show you. All of them are free for you. Okay, so let me show you everything because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay, so let me share with you my screen. First of all, definitely we're going to be using ChatGPT. So we will need to have, or we will need to use a couple of prompts. Okay, we are going to be using the free version of ChatGPT. So no worries about, being able or need to upgrade. The free version is okay. The very first thing or the very first prompt that we're going to be using, it's this one that it says, create a list of the top niches and categories when it comes to books. Give me a list of 20. Whoops. Sorry about that. Let me use, whoops. I don't know why I am not able to. Okay. So, well, we're going to be using this other prompt. Okay, so this is the very first prompt that we're going to be using. Here we are. I'm going to paste it. Okay, boom. Okay, so now ChatGPT is giving me the top 20 niches and categories. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that I'm going to be, using one that I actually feel comfortable with it. Okay, so here we have, for example, self-help, personal development. This is definitely something that I like. Business and entrepreneurship. This is definitely a niche I'm in. Here we have thriller and suspense, young adults, true crimes. Okay, so now we're going to be using the second prompt. Okay, the second prompt is going to be this one, which is we are going to be asking for, okay, what are the most popular books in the niche or category? Okay, so I'm going to replace niche with, in my case, I'm going to go with business and entrepreneurship. Okay. So I'm going to replace it. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So here are some of the most popular influential books. Okay. We have The Lean Startup by Eric Rice. We have Atomic Habits, Think and Grow Rich. Okay. And it's actually given me a list. Okay. But this is actually really important because we're going to be using this information for the next prompt. Okay, the next prompt is this one. What are the important key takes away from the book? Okay, okay, I'm going to choose one that I like. Okay, it's giving me, for example, which one I'm going to go. Okay, this one is really good, the 4-hour work week. Okay, so that's the one that I'm going to be using. Atomic Habits, it's also really good. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is definitely something that you must read if you are interested. If you're really interested learning about business, okay, not only online business, but generally speaking, business. Okay, so I'm going to replace book with this. And now it's going to be writing me some takeaways, the most important takeaways. Okay, what are we going to be doing with this? Because we definitely need to earn money. Okay. It is actually, and don't get me wrong. Okay. If you like audiobooks, if you like to read your book, it can be on Kindle or it can be, a PDF or a paper book. I actually love to read. You can do this. But now we are actually using the power of social, not only social media, because yeah, we're going to be using Twitter, but also the power of AI, you know, in order to earn money online, because it's giving me the most important takeaways. Okay. And I'm going to ask it, like, based on these takeaways, make a Twitter thread, use the right keywords to attract the right people who will be interested. Okay. So now the system is going to give me, everything that I need. Okay. So I can put this on Twitter. Okay. And well, now called X. Okay. So this is actually my account, and this is something that you can actually use. Okay. So we have information. Okay. And we need a way in which we're going to be earning money online. And by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. And if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. That's going to be my number one recommendation to make money online. Besides this strategy. Okay. So here we are. Okay. Here we are. Definitely giving me, you know, right now it gives me 12 suites, okay, that I can use. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite them. You can ask ChatGPT for more ideas, and you are actually going to be using this one. For example, we're going to go with this one, okay, the new rich, okay, the new rich. Okay, I'm going to copy it. You're going to paste it. But if you paste it just like that, you are not going to be earning money. Okay. So we need something that people are going to purchase. Okay. We need some place, something in which they're going to be willing to pay or invest in themselves in order to earn money. Okay. So don't worry. You don't need to create your product. It is actually a great idea if you can do it. But you can also go to these websites. For example, you can go to Audible. Okay, this is actually part of the Amazon Associate Program, which is the Amazon Affiliate Program. And here you're going to notice that they're willing to pay you. If someone took the audiobook, okay, they're going to be paying you 50 cents. But you're going to invite people to try the free trial, and they're going to pay you $5 just for a free trial, which is actually really crazy. So you can tell them like, hey, this quote, it's for the book, uh, the four, the 4 hour week. Okay. The 4 hour week. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this, check this link and get your free access. Okay. Which is actually why this program is really powerful. If you get 4 people per day, that's going to be $20. Okay. And there's a lot of people on Twitter, and these are really short tweets. And not only you can do that, but you can also ask ChatGPT like, hey, I want to illustrate this concept with images. Give me some ideas so I can create images. And you can use other tools such as Leonardo, okay, or Midjourney, and the system can create the images for you. So you're going to have text, you're going to have images. Okay, so you're going to be providing value using AI. Another tool that you can use is this one. It's Libra.fm. Okay, they also have an affiliate program. Okay, they also have an affiliate program. You can join it here. There is also this one, which is audiobooks.com. They also have an affiliate program as well. If someone join, okay, if someone join, you're going to get paid $15. But if you get 250 signups per month, you can earn up to $18. 500 plus sign up per month, you can earn up to $25. And the more consistent you are, this is going to be growing as an snowball effects, because you're going to have more tweets out there, more valuable information. Your account is going to be growing, and you can be specific about a niche. In my case, I decided to go with the business niche, okay, because that's the one that I really like. Okay, but you can go like and create several accounts, several Twitter accounts with different niches. Okay. Maybe on one, you're going to be talking about, scroll down because I don't want to make it up. Okay. Maybe one, you're going to be talking about parenting and family, which is huge. Okay. Maybe on another one, you're going to be talking about travel and adventure, or you're going to be talking about spirituality and religion, romance, okay, health and wellness. Okay. So another website that you can use in order to join and promote, books, it's this one. It's Chirp. Okay. They are running through Commission Junction. So you can actually join them for free. Okay. And people can enjoy their favorite audiobook. Okay. Another way in which you can earn money, and if you have the skills, you can actually build your websites. Nowadays, there are tools such as System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below if you want. You can build your own website out there, and you can sell PLR products. Okay, you can build a website like this, and you can have different books. You can sell them as a membership, or you can sell them as a bundle. Okay, you notice here different topics. Okay, you can actually have this. Okay, you can put them on bundle and all the stuff. Okay, so people can actually have this option. This is different products, because these are PLR products. This is actually the life hack library. We have another website which is IDPLR, that you can actually do the same, and you can find tons of products here that you can promote as a PLR program. So this is definitely a strategy that works. Okay. But again, you need to be consistent if you really want to get the most amount of results. And again, if you want to learn more about what's my number one recommendations to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.